In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image extensions in Google Ads. Image extensions, now called image assets, help your ads stand out with visuals that can boost click-through rates and tell your brand story at a glance. We'll walk through where to find the right tools in your account and how to upload images so they're ready to use across your campaigns. Start by going to Google Ads. Open your browser, head to the Google Ads homepage, and sign in. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check that you're in the correct account before proceeding. It's also a good idea to confirm you have the right permissions to add and manage assets. Next, head to Tools. In the top navigation bar, look for the wrench icon labeled Tools and Settings. Click it to open the menu. This menu groups many of the features you'll use to manage account-wide resources, and it's where image assets live. Click on Asset Studio. This area is designed to centralize your creative building blocks, images, logos, and other assets you can reuse in different ads. Managing images here keeps everything organized and makes it easy to attach them as image extensions later without re-uploading. From here, click on Library. The library view shows what's already available in your account and is the best place to keep assets tidy by using consistent names and versions. If this is your first time, the library might be empty, which is totally fine. Now click on Image and Upload. Choose the images you want from your computer, your website, or other available sources. Aim for high-quality JPG or PNG files and include both Square 1:1 and Landscape 1 91:1 versions so your images fit all placements. As a guideline, use clear, uncluttered visuals, avoid excessive text or watermarks, and make sure you have rights to use every image. Keep subjects centered, use good lighting, and maintain brand consistency across variations. If prompted, use the built-in crop tool to frame important details without cutting off edges. Name your files descriptively, for example, product, category, angle variant, so they're easy to find later. Upload multiple options to allow for testing and to give Google systems more variety to work with. When your upload finishes, your images appear in the asset library. They'll now be available to attach as image extensions when you create or edit your ads and ad groups. New assets may undergo a brief policy review. If anything is disapproved, check the noted reason and replace or adjust the image. That's it. Your visuals are ready to help your ads capture more attention.